Welcome to Lucky Wheels. From the situation where the truck lost control and crashed into the roadside due to slippery, rainy conditions, causing severe damage to the vehicle, to the situation where the truck was speeding, leading to a serious overturn of the vehicle. This video is created for educational purposes and contains incidents that have garnered global attention due to their sudden and often dramatic nature. It also emphasizes the importance of traffic safety. Let's get it on. Yes, reduce braking while cornering. Sudden braking when entering a corner can lead to a loss of control. Instead, control your speed before entering the corner. Make steering movement smoothly and avoid sudden or sharp turns. Abrupt steering can lead to loss of traction and results in skidding. Always use your turn signals to indicate your intentions to other drivers. If another driver cuts you off, remain calm and take a deep breath. You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. Be mindful of the center of gravity, especially when negotiating curves. Whoops cargo trucks have a higher center of gravity, making them prone to tipping. Oh, never cut into the lane of other vehicles. Stay focused on your own lane, everyone. On a rainy day, you have to drive cautiously, because any time can be a hydroplane moment. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Folks use the 3-second rule to ensure that you have enough time to react if the vehicle ahead brakes suddenly. If conditions become too hazard, or if you're unsafe, falling over to a safe location and waiting for the weather to improve. Be cautious when making sharp turns, and avoid sudden lane changes. Distribute weight low and evenly to minimize the risk of a rollover. This is a reminder that the roads demand our full attention. We all want to avoid it. That's a classic example of overestimating your own driving skills. Curves demand respect, not recklessness. Oh my, the driver must be dozing off while driving. Always stay alert when operating a vehicle. Stay calm and maintain a patient driving attitude. If you notice unstable driving from surrounding vehicles, be ready for sudden lane changes or swerving. Folks, let's drive with a safe following distance. It prompts a more comfortable and confident driving experience. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Distribute the weight of your luggage evenly inside the caravan to avoid overloading, especially with heavy items that could easily cause your vehicle to tip over. Practice patience, and remember that arriving safely at your destination is more important than saving a few minutes of travel time. Oh my, what happened to the driver? Please pay attention to your path. No, never drive under the influence of alcohol or any drugs that may impair your cognitive functions while driving. Oh no, the driver didn't notice that the traffic ahead had stopped and reacted too late. At least no one was injured. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Never go too fast when entering a curve, especially when the road is wet and slippery, as it can easily cause your vehicle to skid, which is dangerous. Let the ambulance pass through. Give it the right of way. Don't try to block or obstruct its path. Snow can create slushy or icy patches, increasing the risk of skidding. So, drive at a slower speed, reduce the chance of hydroplaning, and improve overall vehicle control. As long as you keep a safe distance, even if the car in front of you stops suddenly, you have enough time to brake. Be alert, folks. Ensure proper weight distribution. This helps reduce the risk of the vehicle tipping over due to loss of control. This is what it means: low speed and distance. Be careful, guys. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. This is an inexperienced driver squeezing into the lane of the truck next to them. Hopefully, that driver has learned their lesson. If your vehicle starts to slide, gently steer in the direction you want to go. Without overcorrecting, avoid slamming in the brakes, as this can worsen the slide, and everyone is alive. It seems this vehicle was overloaded, causing it to tip over while on the road. Be careful with the weight of your cargo to avoid tipping the vehicle. This is the reason why snowy roads require suitable tires and experienced driving.